Hi friends, and today in this video we are going to see how we can import existing project. So this is likely how, if suppose there is a project that is a project that you have taken from the GitHub, and if you want to load that project into in your Visual Studio Code and you want to do some kind of development, or you can just run the project. So in that case, how we can load the project. So basically the first thing is like whenever any person shares in a Angular project or maybe in a GitHub, they basically don't share with a node module because that node module size is too big, and that it takes a lot of time. So basically they most of the time it is ideal thing, so don't share the code with the node module. So in that case, so that node module, it is like the list of all required library to run the project, and list of that what you can say all the required libraries that has been downloaded, and that has been supported for your application. So in that case, that we need to request to download. So how we can do that? So in this video we are going to see the same thing. So please be with me for 5 minutes and you will get everything. So please see this video from start to end and you will get everything. So you can see this is our project. You can see my screen and this is our project. And what we can do, we can just delete this node module. So what I can do, I'll just shift delete. Okay, I'm just removing it. Maybe it may take some time, so I'm just removing it. Yeah, it is taking little bit time because it has most of the time JavaScript library takes time to be get deleted, and so it is taking small time. So please have patience and it will be deleted soon. So as you can see, that node module folder has been deleted. Now what we'll do, we'll just load this project. So how we can do, you can just type here cmd, okay, and this code and this dot. So the project will be loaded into the Visual Studio Code. So this project will be loaded. Now you can see, yeah. So this project has been loaded. Now there is no node module folder. So if we'll try to run it, it will not going to run. So okay, so if we'll type it ng-ser, so obviously it will throw a lot of error. So obviously it requires node module. So in that case, what you can do, you can just simply type npm install. So what npm install does, what it does, it goes to the JSON file. It read what the things, what the JavaScript library this project requires to be downloaded. So it read that JSON file, and by reading JSON file, it download those required thing and create a node module folder and download those things into that node module folder. And then after that you can load your project. So obviously just keep in mind, you have to whatever the JavaScript library, what are the dependency has been declared into JSON file, everything will be downloaded, everything will be rated by the npm module, and then it will download that and it will load into the node module folder, and then you can run your project. So what I'll do, I'll just simply click npm install. Okay, so I'm just typing npm install. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll also track offline. So I'll just take whether the node module folder is creating or not. So you can see that node module folder has been created. So it is now, again it is still downloading the required thing. So you can see this is in the progress, and or it is reading all the things and it is downloading, it is configuring the project, and after that you can run your project successfully. So it takes little bit time, you don't need to be worried. And as it takes the data from the internet and install it, so it takes little bit time. So you can see, you can track. Yeah, so now this lot of things has been downloaded in this node module folder. You can see all your required things. So it has been downloaded. Yeah, you can see. I think it will take some little more time. Yeah, so now we are good to go. Now what we can do, we can just simply type ng-ser, or you can also type npm start. So npm start internally also called ng-ser. So you just click on this ng-ser. Yeah, it is taking small time. Yeah, so what is going to display, it is going to display, you can just go on app.component.html. So what is going to, yeah, it has included this component. So app test, this component has been created, test component. And what is this in HTML, hi YouTube, and you can see what is going to be displayed. Yeah, this some switch case and the directory has been written. So this will going to be displayed. So you don't need to worry, you just have to check whether the project is running or not. So yeah, So what you can do, you can just load your project. So I'm just loading it, and yeah. So now you can see what you can see the project is running. So you have successfully imported a project, and you have done you have run the command npm install, and then required JavaScript library has been downloaded in node module folder, and then you are able to run the project. So I hope guys you like the video, and you got the things how we can do the loading the project. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.